Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt, the V2M Visionary. I'm going to show you the walk around of the outside of the V2M Visionary USA Tour rig. It comes from Genesis Supreme. It is a Vortex, and we actually are partnered with Rowley RV on this machine. I'm going to take you from back to front and then all the way around. We're going to start off with, this thing comes with 2 fuel tanks in it. And they actually pump fuel, so we keep one about half full of super for motorcycles, and then the other one runs the generator, so to speak. It's a triple axle trailer. It uses raceline wheels with some pretty crazy tires. I've never seen them anywhere else. As you can see, we have a very nice sunshade. It does a great job. It's got LED lighting and everything. But the best thing on this thing is the upgrade we did with Rockford Fosgate. It's got a crazy system. I'm going to walk you through that when we get over there. Of course, it's got big windows that you can't really see because we have the wrap on there. But when we're on the inside looking out, we can see everything. But you're on the outside, you can't be looking in. A step above step, which is super nice. It folds up in. It's separate. It's not like those janky other ones. Not really down with those other steps. Talking about the stereo again, what we have here is a Rockford Fosgate PMX1, and it is a Bluetooth stereo system on the outside, and I'll give you guys a little what for on this. This stereo system has 3 12s mounted underneath it, so those subwoofers just completely dominate almost everything around them, but the 4 speakers up there which scream. I don't know how many watts it is. The guys from Rockford hooked it up, but it is as loud as pretty much any concert venue. From there, this is really cool. Come on in here, check this out. We have a vac system. Full Dirt Devil whole house vacuum system. Next to that is where we pretty much keep all the business stuff. We have pretty much all of our tools, Milwaukee tools here. It's got a 1500 watt power inverter in here. It's got solar on the roof. Really cool, so when it's sunny, we don't have to even hook up. Everything's running. It also has a full PA system that runs out of those speakers as well, with microphones, and we've actually done a little karaoke with these. Follow me to the front. Up here, towing the vehicle is an upgraded Gen Y hitch. It actually uses a friction area, like a torsion bar system. This thing is super cool and keeps this thing going down the highway super smooth. We have our gas up on here. 2 big ass bottles. We actually can pull one out for the cookout in the back. Big Onan QG 5500 dog. And what's really cool about this is we have a Lippert automatic leveling system, which uses the level up down below. This thing will stay level on pretty much any sort of ground. It's all automated. Genius stuff right here. Over here, we've got a couple slide outs. What's really cool is there's slide outs on the same side of the vehicle. A lot of them have different slide outs on different sides, and it becomes kind of a nightmare when you're parking places. So having 2 big slide outs on this side makes a big, big difference. This little guy is the other side of the walkthrough. It's pretty much a mess. We're not going to mess with that. Another cool thing on this is there's a big dump tube, but check this out. Water, pressurized water. So when we need to wash off the bikes after they're dirty, plug this in here, squirt them off. Pretty much anything. We've actually washed the sides of this with that as well. Really cool. Heating, air conditioning kind of stuff. Always the back of the rig and the pretty much all the stuff that needs a vent and the heater and everything. It's all the ugly stuff. Come on. 50 amps. This is the big dog. Plugged into shore power right now because we're at SBC Performance in Wisconsin. So loving it out here. The big slide out. This thing actually has a couch on the inside. The next episode, when we go inside for a walk around, you can see how spacious this whole thing is. Come on. This is the 2 fills for the 2 gas tanks on the other side. Another big bay window, another small window, and a ladder to get to the top. We definitely clean the solar panels about once a week. Go up there and check everything. When we're at shows, especially the Moto America races, we can go up there and watch the races. It's really badass up there. All right, let's get to the very end of this. As you can see, we have all of our sponsors, Harley-Davidson included, of course. They're the presenting sponsor of the V2 Visionary Tour. Then you'll notice this. I'm going to show you this at a later date. I'm going to cook on it for you guys at a later date. But yes, we have a Blackstone griddle and a Traeger bolted to the back of this. The guys at Rowley White are doing this for a lot of their customers. We're very fortunate that they did it for us. And pretty much if you ever see us at any event after like 5 to 7 o'clock, we're cooking. It's just come up and say hi and eat some food. So until then, hope you enjoyed the walk around of this Genesis Supreme / Rowley White toy hauler.